time I touch, like even if I touch myself, damn, look at my arm, look everywhere. My skin is very sensitive, and he just said that I got a soft ass. So hi everybody, welcome in. My name is Nana Weber, aka Super Sexy. Today I'm not here to shake my butt. Today I'm not here for clapping. Today I'm not here